Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is the Ninja Blaster Max. It's a portable blender that's battery powered. It's been out for a little while, but I thought I'd get one of these because they look pretty cool and I do like making smoothies. So, like all my videos, let's get it out the box, see what we've got, have a look at it actually blending something, and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end of the video if I think this is a decent thing or not to get. So let's start with what's in the box and we'll go from there. So the first thing out the box is basically a manual and a warranty guide and then some basic recipes, and you can download some more from their webpage. So that's the first thing out of that packaging. Next is this, which is the actual charging brick which will power it. Now it isn't USB, it is a priority type charging port on this unfortunately, but it does come with the charging brick, which is pretty good. So that's also included in the packaging. And finally we've got the blender itself. Now it comes in 3 sections. Basically you've got this part here which screws on the top, and this has a button on it to open, and it also locks in position so it doesn't fall on you, and you can use that for drinking or pouring. You've got the actual blender container, which is up to about 1 litre, which is pretty reasonable size for most things. And then you've got the actual blending unit, and it has 3 different settings. It has your charging port here, and it lasts for a fair while. You've got your blend and your crush settings, and you can also do pulse, which is pretty good. And overall, it feels reasonably heavy but decent in one's hands. So what we'll do next is we will blend some stuff, and I'll show you blending, what I've made, and then I'll give you my final thoughts at the end of the video of what I think of this unit. Okay, so as you can see, it is actually quite a decent little unit. If you want to blend some smoothies on the go, this is a great unit for it. It does last for a reasonable amount of time, so you can do a few blends before it needs recharging. You can run it as well from the brick on mains, which is pretty cool. And it is quite versatile, and if you need to crush ice or if you want to make some smoothies, I can definitely recommend this. This is a fun unit, it's a great unit to have, and I've enjoyed using it for myself, and I am glad that I purchased this unit for blending smoothies and things I like to make. So overall, I am going to recommend this. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.